In this tutorial, we're going to see how to top up in Pocket Broker. Firstly, log into your Pocket Option account with your username and password. Once logged in, find and click the green deposit button at the top of the dashboard. You'll see a list of available payment options. These include credit or debit cards, e-wallets, bank transfers, cryptocurrencies. Choose the method that works best for you. Now type in the amount you want to deposit. Some methods might have minimum deposit limits. Then follow the on-screen instructions to complete your transaction. Keep in mind that available options depend on your country or region, and make sure your account is verified for a smoother processing. E-wallets and crypto, instant to a few minutes, and cards and bank transfers may take a few hours to one business day. Use the same method for deposits and withdrawals to avoid issues, and double-check the details before confirming your transaction. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.